Hi, this is Tamanna. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Please subscribe and do hit the bell icon.
दुनिया का दस्तूर तो देखो, अब बेचारे प्यार को ही ले लो। होता तो खुद को है पर होता खुद से नहीं। पानी में चीनी मिला दो तो भी पानी को घोलना पड़ता है। जैसे प्यार करने के लिए खुद को खोना पड़ता है। हमको लग रहा था कि हम तमन्ना के साथ में उनकी फिल्मों को लेके इंटरव्यू करेंगे। इनकी 2 फिल्में आ रही हैं, खामोशी और देवी 2। पर मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि ये तो मोहब्बत में है, तो हम लोग पता करेंगे उसके बारे में। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपको बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे।
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Very, very good.
Alright, so I was just going through your timeline and I realized that you would like to write poetry and
I do.
आपको मोहब्बत के बारे में आप ख्यालात आप इजहार कर रही हैं, तो आप कुछ बताएं।
Well, I've been writing. मैं बचपन से लिखती हूँ actually, but मैंने शायद I thought it was too personal to share. But अब मुझे लगता है कि it's really nice. It's an aspect. It's like a side of me that लोग जानते नहीं. And I was talking to one of my colleagues. I mean, to be specific, it was Kajal actually. We were sitting for Kajal Agarwal, yeah. We were sitting at dinner and you know, and like her mom is also very fond of poetry. So I was like, you know, I've written something, would you want to see? And उन्होंने सुन के बोला कि ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, आपको you should put it out on whatever on your social media. So I was like, okay, ठीक है. Then I started like putting one like poetry out, and I think people have like been very kind, and I think there's a lot of appreciation for something so small, and
जी,
so it's nice.
नहीं, ये तो एकदम बिल्कुल ताज़ा कलाम है। तो आप कुछ बताएं कि ये क्या इस वक्त आपके माइंड में आपके क्या है, किस तरीके से एंड मोहब्बत
I
के
just
एहसास के बारे
randomly,
में।
I mean, this incidentally, ये जो poem है, it's about love, but I write about different emotions that you know, that at that point of time are playing on me. मुझे actually खुद याद नहीं है कब लिखा गया है. It's been a while actually, but मैंने इसे कभी बाहर social media पे डाला नहीं. So I've brought it out now, but काफ़ी पुराना है actually.
बीइंग एन आर्टिस्ट, आपको क्या लगता है कि दिल टूटने का कितना रेलेवेंस होता है एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए? दिल लगाना तो एक बात है।
मैं सबके बारे में तो नहीं कह सकती, but I feel like it may helps you internalize a lot of things. आपको makes you value love also.
जी,
तो दिल टूटना तो मतलब I think it's a good thing. I think it helps you grow as a person. And as an artist, it gives you a lot more depth. And I think एक artist में एक जो नमक होना चाहिए, जो कहते हैं कि like that little अदा or that little, I don't know, the depth that comes in, definitely heartbreak. Unfortunately, it actually helps.
सो आपकी 2 फिल्में आ रही हैं,
जी.
खामोशी और देवी 2।
Yeah.
दोनों आपकी सेम कलाकार के साथ में है, प्रभुदेवा के साथ में। एंड आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम दे आर ड्रास्टिकली ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर इन मेनी वेज।
Completely.
सो हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
Actually, मेरे लिए भी ये बहुत ही funny
बोथ आर
है.
रिलीजिंग ऑन द सेम डे फ्रॉम आर।
हाँ, दोनों सेम 31st मई को रिलीज हो रही हैं. एंड फॉर मी देवी 2 इज़ अ फिल्म जो ऑलरेडी उसका एक वर्जन रिलीज हो चुका है, विच वाज पार्ट 1. एंड उसी का कंटिन्यूएशन है. जहाँ से स्टोरी छूटती है वहाँ से वापस शुरुआत है. आई प्ले हाउस वाइफ इन दैट, अ साउथ इंडियन हाउस वाइफ who comes from a village. उसका लुक हो या उनका बिहेवियर हो, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है, बहुत ही प्योर, एंड शी इज़ जस्ट अ वेरी नाइव एंड स्वीट गर्ल. बट फॉर मी द फिजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज़ अ लॉट, बिकॉज उस किरदार की लुक में मुझे जाने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट 2.5-3 hours लगते थे, क्योंकि आई हैज़ टू चेंज माई बॉडी कलर and my face color. So that would take a very long time. So makeup and hair was, you know, was a process. But जब वो getup में और वो look में मैं कैमरा के सामने आती हूँ, it became very easy to transform into Devi, and automatically I felt comfortable doing the body language and felt like, you know, I am Devi. And so for me that character is very interesting. पहली फिल्म में हमने देवी जो टाइटलर रोल है, उस पार्ट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर को इतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया था. बट ये वाले वर्जन में जो पार्ट 2 है, दैट हैज़ अ लॉट मोर फॉर देवी. दैट फिल्म हैड अ लॉट मोर फॉर रूबी, विच इज़ अनदर कैरेक्टर आई प्ले इन द फिल्म इटसेल्फ, विच इज़ द गोस्ट. So yeah, I'm excited that people are going to watch this film, and again it's a collaboration with Prabhu sir, which I love collaborating with him, because I think one of my finest performances come out when I work with him. And in fact, when I was doing the part 1, I was like, we have to shoot the part 2 ASAP, because we had such a good time shooting the film.
जी
But the strange thing is actually खामोशी देवी 2 के पहले shoot हुई है. खामोशी I shot it almost 2 years ago and I finished shooting it in हमने पूरी film Skipton में shoot की है, which is a little bit ahead from London, and we shot it. They were all night shoots that happened. That film is a completely different film and it's a Hindi film.
Right.
I think लोग थोड़े confused भी हो रहे हैं because both the films are coming at the
Yeah.
same time and the cast is the same.
Right.
So people are asking me, is Khamoshi a Tamil film? I said no, Khamoshi is a Hindi film because the title is Khamoshi.
right
So yeah, it's really interesting for me because again that part is completely different. I think I look a lot more like me. अगर आप प्रोमो देखेंगे या आप जो भी अभी तक जो भी रिलीज किया है उन्होंने प्रमोशनल मटेरियल, फॉर मी दैट कैरेक्टर वाज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज आई प्ले अ डेफ एंड म्यूट गर्ल एंड उसमें इट वाज ऑल अबाउट बीइंग एबल टू रिएक्ट एंड also the timing for someone who is deaf and mute is very different than a normal person.
जी,
So reactions are very different. So we had a person on set who used to monitor my reactions, who understands the dynamics of how a deaf and mute person would behave. So उसकी मुझे थोड़ी practice करनी पड़ी before the shoot started. So we did a workshop for about 2-3 days, and then we went on floors and it was complete night shoot. Which was very very difficult because it was -2 in Skipton, so and it's a thriller. So I have not done a thriller before, so for me that was very very new. And the film is directed by Chakri Toleti, who has made a lot of successful South Indian films. And yeah, I mean I think he gave it a very, I think, an international touch in a way because the film doesn't have any songs, or it's not that okay, thriller hai to let's put something gimmicky in it to make it look commercially palatable, but it's just a thriller and it's just like how a pacey thriller should be. So I'm quite excited. बहुत अलग फिल्में हैं, दो बहुत ही अलग फिल्में हैं, बहुत अलग किरदार हैं, so I hope people like it and they watch it.
when we watched the promo of Khamoshi, as far as your character is concerned, there's a lot of scope for, I think, emotional drama as well as the typical acting that any actress would really enjoy. It's very apparent as well. In Devi 2, we see you have this song called Ready Ready, where you're performing the entire, I think, fantasy-prone song, which a lot of your audience loves you for.
It's actually it's a wife trying to seduce her own husband because she.
She's making a very good effort on
Yeah,
that.
she's actually trying very hard to seduce her own husband, which I thought was a very funny situation in the film.
My question basically is that for an actress, bringing in these various rasas, how important is that for you?
I've always wanted to do diverse characters, and I think right now in my career I'm getting that opportunity to do something very very just like run of the mill. I'm doing a lot of stuff which is different from each other, and what I'm excited about is that when directors are coming to me with parts, they want me to do something that I haven't done before or something that's different from me essentially. And I think it's very important for a actress to explore all kinds of emotions and portrayals, and for me I think it comes naturally. I love song and dance, and I also love just very fine detailed performances which are subtle and which are real and something that we all kind of relate to. So yeah, I kind of have always tried to strike that balance, but I think now I'm able to do it a lot more successfully because that's the kind of work I'm being offered and that's the kind of work I'm getting.
You have this Damocles sword hanging on your neck, and that is called Bahubali. How do you deal with it? Because just matching the mammoth success of that film, I'm sure that it's going to be very difficult for any film. Even Avengers, अगर आसपास आती है तो उसको भी लोग वो करते हैं. But it's not going to be easy, I think, for any film, maybe in the recent times.
Yeah, I think, I've ever since Bahubali came out, I don't compare any of my work to Bahubali because that would be very unfair. The film is on a very different, is set on a very different platform. But what I'm really excited about is the film I'm working on right now. It's called Saira. That is Chiranjeevi Sir's film, and it's an ensemble cast. It's a huge cast with actors from all different languages. There's Amit Ji also, who's a part of the film. There's Nayanthara, who's a part of the film. There's Vijay Sethupathi. There's Sudeep. So we have actors hailing from Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, just to give, give all audiences, actors who they are familiar with. And I think this is truly an ensemble cast, and I have a very very exciting part to play. After Bahubali, I think मैं बहुत skeptical थी कि मुझे ना period film से थोड़ा दूर रहना चाहिए. Don't want to do something because there'll be a constant, like the immediate comparison will happen. But जब Saira मुझे offer हुई, I felt like this was the right kind of period film. If at all I had to do, I would want to do this kind of a film because it's so authentic and it's based pre-independence. तो वो era को मैंने अभी तक touch नहीं किया था. So I thought this is a great, and it's a biopic. So it's going to be, I think it's going to be really really nice. And it's directed by Surinder Reddy, who for the Hindi audiences, he's made the original Kick. So and I have worked with him prior to this in a film called Usarwali, which is a Telugu film. And उन्होंने जब भी मुझे कोई भी किरदार दिया है, it's always been really really different, and he extracts performances which I really enjoy. So he's someone who's after getting good performances out.
Tamanna, we've taken a few fan questions on Twitter, so let's take a few of them. This is Sahil from Ranchi. From all your movies you've done, which one is your favorite and why?
Oh God, that's really hard to choose. Paiya stands to be one of my favorites. It's a very old film, but it still stands to be one of my favorites. Happy Days, again a very initial film. Bahubali, which is of course recent, and Devi, and now Devi too, hopefully.
You're happy with your Hindi film journey?
I never looked at it like a separate journey, like I have looked at films as just as films, and now is a great time to do that because it's not important in which content you're bringing, in which language you're bringing out content, but what's important is to bring out good content constantly. None of my initial Hindi films did well, but then I think after Bahubali there was a great sense of redemption that I got, because I felt like the audiences saw me, in the kind of role I would want them to see me.
Right.
And thereafter, I think I've done parts and films which excite me. So I'm not trying to pursue a Hindi film career or a Tamil film career or a Telugu film career. I'm just trying to make good content and hope people like it.
This is Amir from Germany. What's the secret of your beauty and fitness?
I think it takes a lot of discipline and routine. I mean, routine is really underrated, but I think just to follow a plan, whatever, it could be a diet, it could be your workout, but just to follow a routine, I think that really has helped me sustain all these years of my career. So whatever you choose to do, I mean, if you choose a good routine, I think that really helps.
This is @Kul Rakshita. So the place is not there, and maybe this is the name. So he or she is saying complimenting her cuteness. So how do you respond to these compliments that come your way?
अब मैं cute हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँ, मैं तो मतलब it's nice.
मैं तो
to
हूँ ही
be cute.
मतलब.
मैं cute ही हूँ.
अच्छा, okay. मतलब रोज का है. Compliments मिलते रहते हैं. This is @RRP61670553. Seems like a telephone number. Ma'am, why are you doing very less movies in Bollywood? We miss you in Bollywood. Please do more movies in Bollywood also.
Noted.
Amir from Germany once again. This is a good question. What kind of scenes are the most difficult and challenging for you to do?
I'll tell you a secret. It's very strange, but when we make films, there are times we have a monologue, like a really long dialogue, and we got to speak it, and it will be on a high intense emotion, and it will look like a really difficult and long scene, and हम उसे एक टेक में नेल कर लेते हैं या 2 टेक में नेल कर देते हैं. But then there will be these very small reactions or shots which are very tiny, which just get inserted in the middle, and you will take forever to do that. So for an actor, it's very strange sometimes. The more difficult things pass off very easily, but जो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है वो उनको बड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. So ये हम जब परफॉर्म करते हैं कैमरा के सामने, हमारे साथ काफ़ी ऑफन होता है, और काफ़ी सारे एक्टर्स के साथ होता है जो मैंने देखा है अब तक, कि बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ में अटक जाते हैं, बट जो बड़ी होते हैं वो बहुत आसानी से निकल जाता है.
But we've seen that many a times those small things, that one look, I think gets talked about a lot.
Yeah,
so
of course.
maybe I think the effort is worth it as.
Yeah, I mean that's why that little detail is done.
Ji. This is Madhav from Hyderabad. I've been watching from you Happy Days, Telugu film released in 2007. It's been 12 years since you're maintaining the same level of enthusiasm for every film. What's the secret and your fitness goals?
I've just always loved what I do. I mean, I think essentially when you do something that doesn't feel like work, that lets you push, and that lets you do more than what you think you can do. And from fitness perspective, I think I've lived a relatively disciplined life, and yeah, eating right. I mean, there's no other escape, and there's no look बोलते हैं ये कर लो वो कर लो, but there's really no shortcut. You
जी.
got to just watch what you eat.
जी.
And more and very much more important that and than that is your emotional state. I think अपने आप को खुश रखना, अच्छी बातें सोचना, अपने आप को stable रखना, वो I think adds to your fitness levels. Your fitness cannot just be what you eat, but it's also the information you're taking in and the kind of friends you have, the kind of environment you're in. So keeping your environment clean is as important as what you're putting in your system.
फिर पोएट्री लिखते रहना, मतलब
And of course,
मोहब्बत के बारे में.
about love and failure and tragedy.
Rishabh Kumar Sharma from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Hello madam, my question is, one film of yours you're proud of being part of?
It's a no-brainer actually, Bahubali, right? Because the kind of, from kids to adults to anyone, like really senior people, when they come and they're like, you know, we loved you in that song, and it's just, you know, where there's this butterflies are there. And I love it when kids describe it, because they have the most cutest descriptions of
जी.
of what they've liked. So yeah, for me, I guess it's Bahubali.
I'll just club two questions in the same one because they're more or less about the same thing. This is Abhijit from Akola. How was your experience working with Akshay Kumar sir in entertainment movie? And this is Manoj Siege from Kolkata. Any plans about working with Akshay Kumar again? With which actor of the generation in Bollywood you want to do a film next? Huge fan of yours, ma'am. Lots of love and respect for you always, ma'am. So entertainment, and would you like to work with Akshay Kumar once again?
Of course, there's nobody who doesn't want to work with Akshay Kumar. Akshay is a very sweet person. Yeah, he was very down to earth and very simple to work with, but he's really sharp. Like you cannot let your guard down even for a minute.
Right.
And he's very notorious
Yeah.
on sets. He's very naughty. I don't know. I think मैंने शायद आप ही के इंटरव्यू में बहुत टाइम पहले बोला था कि मेरा पैकअप हो गया था दिन के लिए, और मैं अपने गाड़ी में बैठने जाने वाली थी, एंड उन्होंने मेरे सीट के नीचे 2 अंडे रख दिए थे. And I don't know when he did that. So yeah, he does a lot of these pranks, and it's fun. Like having him on set is a lot of fun, and he's great energy.
And with which actor of this generation in Bollywood you want to do a film next?
There are so many like cool actors who are doing such good work right now. It could be Kartik Aaryan, it could be Vicky Kaushal, it could be Ayushmann Khurrana. I really like what Ayushmann has been doing, the kind of work he's been doing.
Ji.
I like the work Vicky's doing. So there are so many of them who are so good. There's Varun. I mean, Varun is actually a senior from my school. So yeah, it would be great to collaborate with Varun also, because
Varun Dhawan was your senior?
yeah, we were in the same school. We went to Manikji Rupa, and yeah, so I've kind of seen him in school.
Oh, okay. You started very early, I think at the age of 16 or something.
Yeah. I think Varun must have seen me in my geeky spectacles in my school life with oil in my hair.
Mohit Sangwan from Hyderabad. How South film industry is different from the Bollywood? You're a successful South actress and not getting good scripts in Bollywood from starting. Why? We want to see you in good Hindi movie.
Again, noted. But I just want to do films that, you know, that excite me. I think essentially for me as an actor, मैं कोई भी subject लूँ, at the end I should feel motivated to perform in that character. And मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा है कि वो एक हिंदी फिल्म है कि साउथ फिल्म है. I've only thought कि यार फिल्म अच्छी है कि नहीं, कि या मैं वो फिल्म करूँ कि नहीं.
जी.
But yes, I get to see a lot of fans sending me the message that, you know, we want you to do more Hindi work, so I'm taking that on.
This is Nazim from Kolkata. First of all, you are so prettiest actress I've ever seen in South movies. Which Khan you prefer to work with and why?
They are all so good. Yeah, they're all such established stars.
जी.
I don't have a specific actor that I'm really fond of, but they're all good. I don't have a favorite Khan. I have a favorite Khan, but उनके साथ अभी romance नहीं कर सकते. Everyone's favorite है.
Shahrukh Khan.
नहीं.
Then?
Taimur Ali Khan.
अच्छा.
I think Taimur is like, I think everyone just looks at his pictures and we're like, he's so cute and
It's a safe answer as well.
This is true. It's actually true. He's just too cute, and he has such a mixture of Bebo and Saif. He just looks adorable.
But I think you've always liked Shah Rukh Khan quite a lot. I think from even in
Who
past
doesn't
interviews.
like Shah
Who
Rukh
doesn't
Khan?
like
Growing
him?
up, we've just like seen and we've loved his work. So the Khans have pretty much made Indian cinema what it is today, and we all know Indian cinema today for what it is because of these. Could be Amir, could be Shah Rukh, could be Salman. So yeah, I think,
And now Taimur.
Bollywood cannot exist without
And now Taimur.
Taimur. Is just pure love.
If you were to ask following people a question, what would it be? Prabhu Deva.
When is he coming for Khamoshi promotion?
Khamoshi promotion में Prabhu Deva will be silent.
Prabhu, actually, I am the deaf and mute in the film, but Prabhu sir doesn't.
In real life, in interviews,
I
it's
know,
like he is
Monosyllabic answer.
yes, bilkul. Prabhas, if you have to ask a question to Prabhas,
When is Saho coming out?
ask a question to Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. How was it acting in Zero? Because it looked like a very difficult character to play. And he chooses these very he transforms completely physically. So what does that take? Because I'm
Okay.
sure it's technically very very challenging to do that.
Salman Khan.
I don't know, what do I ask Salman? I don't really know him to ask him anything. I know Prabhu sir and Salman are doing Dabang right now.
Yes, Dabang 3.
So I should tell Salman to send Prabhu sir from Khamoshi promotion. Why are you not sending Prabhu sir?
Okay, Mr. Rajamouli.
Raj sir, how does he have this perfect balance between family life and work? Like, I've seen him, he works with his entire family on set, and I think that's a very unique pattern of working. I've never seen anybody else work like that, because उनकी पूरी family एक department of film में रहती है, तो वो balance कैसे draw करते हैं जो family life का and काम का. So I find that very intriguing.
If you would take fitness lessons from any Bollywood actress, who would it be?
Those lessons. First of all, everyone is really fit. At least they all look very, very fit. But I think Jacqueline comes across as someone who really works out and who's really fit, who does a lot of, who's always into fitness. Whatever I've seen of her. So yeah, Jacqueline.
One job you think you're terrible at?
My eye and hand coordination is terrible. I cannot play a game which has like supposing एक डस्टबिन में वो कुछ फेंकना होता है ना, वो मेरा कभी नहीं जाता है, या बास्केटबॉल में एक बास्केट करना हो तो
That's interesting.
my eye and hand coordination is.
Do you think South industry is doing better than Bollywood industry?
No, I think they both are doing good work and they both are doing very different work.
Okay, have you ever been cheated on by a guy?
No.
Have you ever had a crush on your co-star?
Yeah.
Would you ever want to do a web series?
Of course, yeah, definitely.
Quick replies in one word, please. One Hindi movie you wish you were a part of.
Bajirao Mastani.
Last film that you watched and liked it a lot.
Last film that I saw, it's been a while. I've seen a film. Avengers? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Avengers, yeah.
Your childhood crush.
Childhood crush. I think it's Hrithik, of course. How can I forget?
Hrithik Roshan. Okay. A song that can make you dance at any time.
Nimuda.
Okay. A book you can read over and over again.
The Secret.
Hot or not? Following things. Michael Jackson.
Hot.
Donald Trump.
Not.
Politics.
Not.
Dating apps.
Hot.
Adult comedies.
Hot.
Paris.
I love hot.
Curls.
Should be hot, I guess.
News channel debates.
Not. Especially when they scream.
Okay. Web series.
Hot.
All right, Tamanna, lovely talking to you, and all the best wishes for Khamoshi and
Thank
Devi
you.
2, and I hope that they're a huge success.
Thank you so
and
much.
Looking forward to everything that you're going to be doing very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming over.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Tamanna. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Please subscribe and do hit the bell icon.